Today's story, The Ghost King.
This video is only made for entertainment purpose. There are no similarities with any person, living or dead. Our content does not support any superstitious culture and religious feelings.
Episode 18.
My wife, my daughter. Come on, brother. Enough has happened. Stop crying now, brother. Hey, look, you started crying again. Come on, brother. Now let's go to Ghost Kingdom. What will happen now? Come, brother. Don't throw such tantrum.
Hey, you are you? Do you know me? Who am I? Do you know? I will beat the shit out of you. Run away from here.
Oh my God. Brother, what kind of behavior is this? Did I say anything wrong to you?
What? Wrong? I am Billa the robber. Wrong with me, eh? Want a punch? Want?
Look, I am calling you brother and you are talking to kill me.
Brother, don't do it. I couldn't understand how I died. Slept after eating and did not wake up again. Had to leave behind everything I have earned through robbery. All this, what will happen to me? What will happen to my wife and daughter without me?
Brother, after dying, everyone has to become a ghost one day. You're no different, and time is a great healer, brother. Come on, let's see your new world, brother. Come. Alright.
All my property. What will happen to my money, diamond, jewelry, honor, respect I have earned through robbery? It's so much hard work.
My daughter, she will cry.
No, I have to go now.
Abzi kupsi gilpi chipli. You won't be able to go. It's very difficult to run away. You'll have to leave the illusion of human. Billa, bro.
Hey, Ghost brother. I just want to go once.
This can't happen, brother. I am a security guard of the crematorium. My job is to make the new ghosts who have come to give up their attachment to their old home and family and take them to master. I can't let you go at all, brother.
Hey, you saw it. Didn't you see it? Tell me how my wife was crying. Tell me. And I cannot understand how I died. I want to go to my area once. Want to see everyone. For the last time, you also come with me, brother. Please.
No, brother. This cannot happen, brother.
Even after much persuasion from Kalu, Billa does not listen to anything. He becomes adamant. Kalu is forced to go with Billa. From a distance, Keem both sees Kalu and Billa running away.
Look at that. Do you see that man? He's my own brother. How sad he's feeling. That shop you see, I have built it with great effort after committing a robbery.
But, brother, where is he sad? He is just in joy. Look at that. Hey, Nitoy, it is so good that the criminal died. You are right. We were ashamed to even call him his brother.
It was right. If he had not died, Madaripur would have always been in terror.
That's why I didn't even go to his last rites. His sin is his.
What did I hear just now? On myself.
Don't cry, brother. Come on, quickly. Where else to go? It would be very bad. Master Lakhan come to know about it. Let's go.
How did it happen? How much gold? As soon as Billa died, All the money, gold and silver are mine. All are mine. Aha. No. Not mine. Ours. Come, Munni. Come. Mother, now I will buy all the things of my choice and desire. I will give you everything. Now no one will call me a bandit's wife. Now the first thing we'll do is leave this area with this money. Mother!
I can't believe it. My daughter, brother, my wife, no one is my own. Everyone is traitor. Everyone is a traitor. Again you broke the rules, Kalu. Mend your ways. But this time I will forgive you. Because you tried so hard to stop Billa. Until now, I was seeing everything through the telescope device.
Hail, Lakan, hail, Master. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Billa, there is no use in crying. Ghosts have less sympathy than humans. You have to understand, you came into this world alone, and you also had to return alone. Neither will anyone accept your sin, nor will anyone accept your virtue. Being a human being, you have already seen the result of your deeds. Now do something good by becoming a ghost so that you get good result of your karma here. Yes, Master. Hail, Ghost. Hail, Master Lakhan. Hail, Master Lakhan.